guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to bring something new to show you, and that is this right here from the Dermstore. Do you want to know what this is about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So the Dermstore sent this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your products to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys, I'm actually really excited because I've heard of the Dermstore. I've never really gone to their site until they did reach out to me, and they have so many products on their website. I will have them linked in the description box if you like to pop on over, see all of the amazing things that they have. Or if you are interested in this kit right here, which launches today, here's a little bit of a backstory to catch you up. I got an email from Dermstore and it says, "We are thrilled to share an exciting new launch in our Best of Dermstore Signature Kit series. Curated in collaboration with Sydney of Subscription Sisters, Sydney has selected you, me, to be one of the first to receive this amazing kit. This exclusive edit features a hand-picked lineup of Sydney's most loved products, all in one incredible kit with a total value of $345, with 6 full-size products retailing for just $100. So you can get this entire kit for $100. Again, I will have them linked down below, and it has a $345 value. I do have a list of what's involved, but it doesn't have like a price for each one, but all of them collectively for retail value, $345. I do want to say this bag is absolutely adorable. I don't know if they always do this bag or if this bag was, specifically made for this collaboration, but I just love the white and black, just sleek look. You just have their logo right here, the D. The D's on the zipper. I just love the black and white. It just looks really nice and sleek and classy. On the back, there is a little sticker which says Subscription Sisters 2025. So this is their collaboration. And I think that's so cool that she got to put her favorite products in here and make her own little kit. That is amazing. If you haven't seen her, I will have her channel listed down below as well. You can pop on over and check her out. She does a whole lot of subscription boxes. She's really cute. I've seen a few of her videos before, so I've heard of her throughout the industry. So when I saw this and she wanted to choose me to be in here, I was like, oh my gosh. I was just so thankful. I'm like, I didn't even know who I was. But let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what her favorite products are to equal this $345. But again, I love the bag that it comes in, and it's all black down inside. And here is the card with her beautiful face right there. That is Sydney from the Subscription Sisters channel. And it says, "Hey beautifuls." I can hear her saying that because she's so cute. "Hey beautifuls. Partnering with the Dermstore for this kit feels so special because I get to share a little piece of my beauty routine with you. Each of the 7 products inside has earned my spot in my collection, and I know you'll see why once you try them." So that's awesome. And on the back side, it does go over the products. There's no pricing, but it does give you a little bit more information. And it says, "Find out why these are Sydney's must-haves." So it says what she feels about each product. So we'll get into that when we go through them. Here's a sneak peek to inside. And I'm just gonna start pulling the products out and show you what's in here. So the first thing right on top, this is a Professional C Serum, 15% vitamin C. And that is what it looks like. This is a full size 1 ounce. It says it's a bestseller for a reason. You get gorgeous glowing skin after applying, and it's not sticky or greasy feeling. I love no sticky or greasy feelings. You sold me at just that. Let me show you what it looks like. Oh, so you have your dropper, and then you have your bottle right here. Ooh, I love that blue, that cobalt blue bottle. So you open this up, put your dropper in here, and you have your vitamin C serum. I love a serum, especially with vitamin C in it, so that is awesome. Now we have Paula's Choice Pro Collagen Multi-Peptide Booster. And that's what that one looks like. This is a full-size product. It says that I absolutely love this peptide serum. It lifts, firms and smooths wrinkles. I love how silky smooth the formula is. So that is why this is one of her favorites. And you have the same little dropper that you put in. You open this up and just put in your dropper. And this one here says directions. Once or twice daily, apply to face and neck. May be used alone or added to your favorite moisturizer. So there's that one for your booster. So up next we have a Tarte mascara. This is a full size product. It says it makes your lashes look ridiculously long. I love this formula. The brush is great at separating and lengthening the lashes too. I don't think I've ever tried, it's in the color black. I don't think I've ever tried this one by Tarte, so that's exciting. And here is the packaging. So that's cool. There's even a full-size Tarte mascara in here as well. Oh, look at that. It is a small little wand. Nice. I can't wait to try this. I already have some on today, but I will definitely try that out. So here is the full-size Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte. Now we have is Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Gel. There's some great brands in here, you guys. I wonder why the value was so high. I love how this will set your brows all day and not flake off. So it's just like a clear, ooh, look at that. You look at, it's like, do you see that? It's a thick consistency. Like, it's like a nice little thick gel. But then here is, oh, here is the wand. Nice. I personally do not use like the brow gel or anything like that in my brows. So it's not a product that I would personally use, but I will definitely save it for one of you guys. And that is a great brand. Definitely a great brand. So there's that one. So we still have a few more items in here. Now we have a Silk Amino Hydrating Cleanser. I love a good cleanser because I use it every single day to wash my face. And this is a full size 100 ml. This cleanser leaves my skin feeling so soft. Ooh, I can't wait to try that then. I love a good cleanser. So here is, look at the packaging, all silver and bougie. There is the packaging. And I don't know if it's gonna have a scent to it. Most cleansers really don't. Some have nice like refreshing scents to them. I thought at first I kind of smelled something a little citrusy, but I don't know if that was my brain tricking me because it looks like it is an orangish kind of color in there. So I don't know if that was my brain just tricking me thinking it smelled like citrus or if it really does. Because I'm not really smelling anything on my fingers, which is fine. I just always like to, I love that this thing can smell sometimes, so I like to smell things. Then we have, ooh, what is this big guy? Press and Glow Daily Exfoliating PHA Tonic with Enzyme Activator. This is a big old product right here. Ooh, Press and Glow. When it said Daily Exfoliating, my mind instantly went to it being like, you know, particles inside and you're exfoliating your skin. No, this is just a normal toner. I'm so excited about that. And I like the container, how it just, you press down, like you just press down to get like the stuff out. I don't think I've ever had one like that before. You have to, yep, you have to unlock it. And then, so if you have a little poof, you can put that on here and then and get it all saturated and put it on your skin. But I like that. And that's a nice, large, full-size toner. And again, I really like that packaging. And there is one product left in here. And this says Imprinting Eye Mask, Hydrogel Mask, Hyaluronic Acid. This one here says it's a deluxe sample, one piece, goodbye puffiness, hello bright eyes. Added bonus, it feels amazing with its cooling sensation. So this was just an added bonus to put in with all of these other full-size products so you can try out. That's always great when you get a little bonus because then you're not expecting it and it's always amazing to have. So it looks like you can put these on your face, and it says to leave it on for 15 minutes and then remove them. So this is really a good kit, you guys. You have the face cleanser, so you can wash your face first. Then you can use the toner, and then you have the serum, you have the booster, you have your eye masks, and then you have your brow gel and your mascara. All right, you guys, so that is everything. Oh, and don't forget this really nice bag here that it all comes in that you can use for anything afterwards. Super classy looking. Wow, that was a really good kit. What do you guys think? What would be your favorite item in here? Would you use this entire routine? Like I said, the only thing that I don't really use is this type of a product, but everything else I'm so excited to try out and definitely use. So if you would like to snag this while they are available, again, it's $100 for this entire kit, valued over $300. So you guys definitely comment down below and let me know, have you bought anything from the Dermstore? Again, they have so many different things. They will be listed down below. You can pop on over and see what they have, see the different kits that they might have. Check out this one if you would like, with these amazing products. But definitely let me know what would be your favorite product in here. Would you like this entire kit? And a huge thank you to Sydney from the Subscription Sisters, who recommended me to be one of the influencers to show you guys this amazing kit that she curated with the Dermstore. So thank you, Dermstore and Sydney, for sending this my way. I greatly do appreciate it. If you guys want to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.